Okay, guys, so we're done with first week, and just want to go over what's going to happen next week. So I'm just going to read what's posted already, but I want to make sure you guys, I still have some questions, even though most of the answers are either on the assignment itself or if you roll down the syllabus, you'll see we have a schedule there. So that so far we've been following. So I'm going to go over one more time the schedule. So last Friday, I posted a little video to show you how to do thumbnails, meaning sketches to find ideas before you go do any kind of big project in drawing or painting or art. You usually do little sketches. They're also called thumbnails. So I showed that to you just for you to look for ideas. So that was Friday. So Monday, so we're starting 2-point cityscape full size, ideally, so meaning you already did all your little research. I will post more tutorial example from YouTube because they're done professionally and they can inspire you. It's not designed to be copied. It's just designed to be an inspiration for you to find ideas. So that would be Monday, the 14th, and then Tuesday, the 15th, finishing the 2-point, and this should be inked. And I give you an extra day on Wednesday if you need, a bit of extra time. We will start something else, mostly sketching exercises. So, if you need a little more time, that's fine. So for the 2-point, I'm gonna go over all the assignment because I still have some questions. The 1-point, you need to submit the 3 exercises. Remember, you had 3 exercises to copy from. For the 1-point and 2-point, it's pretty much the same system. You have 3 exercises to practice, and then you have an assignment as well that usually requires you to be a little more, to use your imagination or to do something a little more personal, or a little more inspired by yourself, okay? So that would be 1 point. So you need the 3 exercises plus you were asked to draw one room, any room. It can be a living room, it can be a bedroom, it can be any room you want. And look at the requirement with objects and things like that. It's written on the requirement itself, and it should be 1 point. And then we move to 2 points, and you also have 3 exercises for 3 points. And then the larger assignment would be the cityscape, drawing a city using 2 points, okay? So when you post your assignment, of course, you'll see there is one point. So on the 1 point, I want to see the 3 exercises plus the room. And 2 points, I would like to see the 3 exercises plus the cityscape. For the cityscape, it has to be inked, meaning that you remember on the kit asked you to buy a Sharpie, it's gonna be used for that. So I would use the fine tip, it's more precise. So you do all your drawing, like you've done before, using a ruler and doing your construction line with a 2H. And then if you would like, because it's easier for you, maybe go on top with HB to decide. That way when you ink, you don't make any mistakes, okay? And then you gotta go over inking. So for inking, I have a PowerPoint that shows different style, meaning you can use your ruler all over to ink, with your ruler. You can mix a little bit, you can freehand on top of your pencil if you'd like, or you can combine both techniques, meaning, for instance, the building you drew can be done with a ruler, inked with a ruler on top of the pencil, and then if you have trees or organic shapes, you can freehand them as well. There's nothing wrong. And then let it dry, let it dry quite a bit, that way you want to, make sure, and then you can use your eraser and erase the pencil, and you, at the end, you are left with a nice inked rendering. Okay, that would be the final. You can colorize as well. I got some questions. It's not required. What is required is to ink it, okay? But if you want to add color to it, you can do that as well, okay? So that's going to be for next week. So we'll finish the 2-point cityscape next week, and then we'll move to drawing exercises. I will teach you the preferred method that I've seen all around, in Animation Studio or any other things. I learned different methodology, but this one is, in my opinion, the best one. That, if you master that, you can pretty much, with practice and time, draw anything you want. Of course, it takes time. So we would do some exercises as well, but we'll go into that midweek. And then on Friday the 18th is the deadline for 1 point, 2-point, and the little exercise for sketches you would have done, midweek. So, and then I'll add a tab, and I'll let you know as well. So this is what's going to happen this week. So by the end of this week, you're going to turn in all the 1 point, all the 2 points, and then some of the sketches exercise. But again, we'll talk about that midweek, so you don't have to worry about it at the beginning of the week, okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. If not, just have fun. Bye-bye.